instance is created. Okay, this information is enough for now. Now I want to connect to it. How do you connect to this EC2 instance? You may connect to it in multiple ways. Okay, you can connect to it in multiple ways. One of the simple and the easiest way is just select the instance and click on connect. This will give you browser based connection. Means click on this. Okay, you will see this page. Again, click on connect. A quick based connection, a browser based connection. If you see in the lab setup documents in the drive, that's a first document. Second document, browser based connection. A quick browser based connection. Default user is EC2 user. So you could now run any commands or anything. That's a Linux machine, Amazon Linux to AMI. Right, that's all. Now you can install Jenkins or do whatever you want here. And we are finally connected to the instance. Right? So this is the simplest way of doing the things. And what else? Yeah, okay, that's a quick connection, but this always may not work because you don't have this console access always, you don't have browsers always. So this may not be working always in the projects, right? So the other way to connect is, another simple way is through Git Bash also you can connect to this instance. So how do you connect through Git Bash? Very simple. Simple way is to connect to this instance. Just copy the public IP. Just go to Git Bash. Okay, so this is your Git Bash. So of course this is your Git Bash. Now from here I want to connect. So how to do the connection? Like I said, the concept behind this SSH concept, okay, we'll learn that later, but now again go to this connect. Okay, when you connect you will see something called SSH client. This Git Bash is one of the SSH clients. So just click on this. It will give you all the commands. You can see this example. Okay, SSH ID, the PIM file name and the IP address. Okay, this is how you should do. Okay, just copy this and go to your Git Bash and run the command from here. But you should make sure you are running this from the location of the PIM file, or else you put the location of PIM file here. Meaning, where is my PIM file? Actually, my PIM file is under downloads. This is my PIM file actually. So I can just go for rename. 1 second, just give me a second. I will delete the old PIM file I have and will rename this. Okay, can you all see that? I just copied it onto the desktop. Okay, now let me rename this. Okay, any name is fine. Okay, I'm just renaming this. Now put the PIM file including the path. Okay, right, including the path, right, so that you put the PIM file including the path and run this command and see. Right, confirm it with yes. Right, so that's all. You got again connected to your EC2 instance. Means you create your instance. Our instances will be, our virtual machines will be running on AWS on cloud, and this is how you can connect to any instance. Okay, this is the second way of doing it through Git Bash. Okay, and the other way is, yeah, Git Bash is possible, is fine, and sometimes again you may not be having Git Bash possible or available on your systems. Okay, there is another SSH client which is very widely used, which is Putty. So let us also connect through Putty. This is the third, this is the one. Okay, connecting to EC2 instances with Putty. So first you need to have Putty installed on your system, and this is the document. This is the URL from where you can download this Putty. Okay, you can download from here. Once you have the Putty, you can see this is our Putty. Okay, this is the Putty. And also this is the Putty. Okay, here you have to put the IP address of your EC2 instance. Just go here and you can just copy this public IP. Like I said, for communication from our instance, okay, you need to use this public IP. So just go for the public IP here. Okay, and then how do you connect? You need the PIM file, right? So just go click on this SSH, or here you need to browse the file, but Putty will take only the PPK file format. It will not use PIM files. It needs the same private key in the form of PPK. Okay, private key file, private Putty. Okay, private key file you need. PPK file is Putty private key. Okay, that's what you need. You need it in another format. PEM file will not work with Putty. So you need to convert this PEM file to PPK file. That is one thing you can do. Or else if you remember and recollect, whenever you are creating instance, I'm going through that very quickly now. See, whenever you are creating a new key pair, you can choose the format here. Instead of PEM, you may choose PPK. In that case, PPK, if you choose, it will be only used with Putty. You cannot do Git Bash. So if you want Git Bash, also download PEM file, then later convert it to PPK for Putty so that you can use for both. Okay. So yeah, now anyway, I have PPK file. I need to convert it to the PPK file. Sorry, I have a PEM file. I need to convert it to PPK file. So what here can you do? Here you have something like Puttygen, right? Go to this Puttygen URL, download a Puttygen here. Okay, this is your Puttygen. Okay, this is your Puttygen. Now load the PEM file you have. Here first choose all files. Load the PEM file you have, abcd.pem file. Okay, it will generate a PPK file. Okay, now save the private key. Okay, it will be saved on the desktop. See, it is going to be saved in the PPK format. I'm giving the same name, ABCD. Okay, fine, done. That's all. You have, see, this is the one. PPK file, Putty, private key. Both are same, but different formats. PEM file, PPK file. PEM file is downloaded from the AWS like a console, and this is the one. Okay. Now, yeah, I just want to use this. Go here now. Okay, now in the SH auth, you may browse this. Okay, on the desktop, I have this PPK file. Okay, here you will see PPK. Select it. Done. Okay, accept it. Now you can see EC2 user. Okay, that's all. Right? You can see here, you can list and everything. So these are the different ways you can connect your EC2 instance. It's very simple. Only thing is a little practice. That's all. There is nothing hard or complex things we are doing. It's just connecting to a virtual machine running on cloud.